ये घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी. The official teaser for Dhurandhar, The Revenge is finally out, and it promises high-octane action, intense drama, and star power that's hard to miss. The film features a stellar ensemble cast including Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, Madhavan, and Arjun Rampal, each bringing their signature style to this revenge saga. The teaser gives a glimpse of daring stunts, explosive confrontations, and pulse-pounding sequences that keep viewers on the edge of their seats. From high-speed chases to emotional face-offs, the teaser hints at a layered narrative where justice, loyalty, and vengeance collide. Fans are already praising the cinematography, background score, and the larger-than-life presence of the star-studded cast. Producers have confirmed that Dhurandhar, The Revenge will release soon in Hindi, ensuring audiences across India can witness the action-packed spectacle. The film will hit cinemas worldwide on 19 March 2026 in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and Malayalam. Social media is buzzing with fan reactions. Many are loving the teaser, saying, "Goosebumps a line ye naya Hindustan hai. Ye GHA mein ghusega bhi aur marega bhi." This teaser understood the assignment. Aditya Dhar music taste is awesome. However, some viewers aren't entirely impressed, pointing out similarities with the first film. Comments include, "This is similar to post-credit of part 1. ये teaser फले से देखला क्यों लग रहा है?" Despite mixed reactions, the teaser has generated immense hype, raising expectations for the film. With its high-octane action, gripping revenge plot, and a star-studded cast, Dhurandhar, The Revenge promises to be a cinematic treat for action lovers across the country. Stay tuned for the official trailer, release updates, and exclusive behind-the-scenes insights from this adrenaline-fueled thriller. Bollywood actress Rashmika Mandanna has once again become the talk of the town, not for a film release, but for her personal life. Fans and paparazzi alike closely watched her recent public outing, with many wondering about a certain sparkle that didn't quite make an appearance. For months, rumors have been swirling about Rashmika and Vijay Deverakonda being an item. The speculation peaked in October 2025, when both actors were spotted with rings that ignited engagement chatter online. Vijay was seen wearing a ring prominently during a family visit to an ashram, which fans took as confirmation of an intimate engagement ceremony said to have taken place in Hyderabad in early October. Shortly after, Rashmika herself drew attention when she was spotted with a prominent diamond ring on her left hand at the Mumbai airport, prompting social media users to declare the engagement as confirmed. However, during her latest airport appearance, Rashmika was all smiles but no engagement ring could be clearly seen, leading to fresh curiosity. Reporters teased her playfully about wedding invites and speculated about whether she was hiding something. She simply laughed off the questions, displaying her usual grace and professionalism despite the buzzing camera flashes.
Hi, ma'am.
Meanwhile, wedding speculation continues to build. Viral videos from Udaipur's City Palace sparked chatter that wedding preparations might already be underway, and reports suggest the couple could tie the knot in February 2026 at a heritage venue. Yet no official confirmation has come from either Rashmika or Vijay's camp. Whether or not the ring was intentionally tucked away this time, fans remain deeply invested in every detail of Rashmika Mandanna's outings, especially when it involves her relationship with Vijay Deverakonda. Only time will tell if and when news of their next big step arrives. Amid relationship rumors linking her to Dhanush, actor Mrinal Thakur is currently busy promoting her latest music video, Bhigi Bhigi. During this time, she opened up about love, calling it one of the most beautiful experiences in life. In an interview, Mrinal shared her heartfelt thoughts on love. She said, "I think love is a beautiful feeling and should happen to each and everyone on this planet. It changes you into a better person. It is literally like reparenting and fixing your inner child issues. It's like the most beautiful thing in the world. I really pray and hope that everyone finds love in their life." When asked whether women in love are more giving, Mrinal completely disagreed. She explained, "Not necessarily. I disagree. Anyone who is in love is more giving. But what is important in love is to accept it also. Sometimes, it is very difficult to receive love and acknowledge love. The definition of love has been changing." She further added, "The only constant thing is love. It's how you receive. There's a lover, there's a beloved. When anyone is in love, they are the givers. It doesn't matter woman, man, no. Jab pyar hota hai. When there's love, you just do things for that person. You just surrender." Talking about Bhigi Bhigi, the song is composed by A.R. Rahman, sung by A.R. Amin and Jasleen Royal, and written by Irshad Kamil. The music video also features Dulquer Salman, adding to the romantic charm. On the film front, Mrinal Thakur will be seen next in the romantic drama Do Deewane Seher Mein. The film also stars Siddhant Chaturvedi and is produced by Z Studios and Bhansali Productions. The movie is being described as the perfect love story between two imperfect people and a modern romance that feels like a memory you didn't even know you were holding on to. Do Deewane Seher Mein will hit theaters on 20th February 2026. Big drama has erupted between reality TV star Prince Narula and YouTuber Elvish Yadav, reigniting a feud that fans have been following for years. The controversy reportedly began after a heated argument during Roddy's XX, but according to Prince, the situation escalated to serious threats. Prince revealed that Elvish didn't just argue with him, he allegedly sent threats through gangsters. Speaking about the incident, Prince said, मैं पंजाब का होकर उसके गांव गुड़गांव तक जाकर आया, उसके घर के बाहर तक गया। उसने मुझे धमकी दी थी और मुझे बहुत फोन करवाए उससे से गैंगस्टर्स से, लेकिन मैंने किसी की नहीं सुनी। जिधर हम पहुंच चुके हैं वो उधर पहुंच भी नहीं सकता। Prince's statement makes it clear that he wasn't intimidated by the threats. In fact, he went all the way to Elvish's home in Gurgaon to confront the situation in person, showing that he wouldn't back down. He reportedly ignored the calls from gangsters and stood his ground, making it evident that he refused to be scared by the drama. The reality star also opened up about what happened after his visit. He said, उसने जितने भी कॉल्स करवाए मैंने सबको बोला उसको तो मार पड़ने वाली है, वो गोवा भाग गया, रील का बदमाश है, लोगों ने उसके हवा देकर रखी है कि गैंगस्टर है। According to Prince, Elvish fled to Goa after the confrontation. Prince claims that the gangster image Elvish projects online is largely exaggerated, fueled by people spreading rumors and hype on social media. This feud has everything: drama, confrontation, and even alleged threats involving third parties. Fans have been closely following the back and forth, and Prince's latest revelations have only added fuel to the fire. The controversy raises questions about the blurry line between reality and social media personas, as well as how online narratives can amplify conflicts. Drama, threats, and face-offs aside, the showdown between Prince Narula and Elvish Yadav has sparked widespread attention. What's your take on the escalating feud? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.